I cooked sambar this morning. Para sa malamig na panahon, masarap siya guys. Humigop ng sabaw. Parang sinigang lang siya sa atin. Kaya ito lang, may konting anghang. Ito yung ihanda ko kay Abby for breakfast and titingnan ko if magbabaon din siya sa office. Kaming mag-almusal ni Mishka guys, so makapag-arrange ako konti-konti. Kahit matapos ko lang itong bagahe na to, parating din dito ngayon yung mag-i-install ng aming internet. On the way na siya eh. Tapos yung washing machine naman, mamayang gabi ata, pupunta din dito. Ang dami ko na kasing tambak ng mga labahin guys, yung isang box dyan, puro yan, madudumi na din. Yes?
Bro, my picture. My please.
It's okay, this is fine. We are not going anywhere. We'll go out later kasi...
No, please. What do you want? Mommy, help me put my dress on.
This one. You want this dress? This is nice.
No, different dress is better. It has flowers.
You like flower dress?
Yes. It's my favorite.
It's your favorite. So pretty. You listen to the doorbell, okay? Up. Wow! Ay, naku. Yung mga shorts namin ni Mishka, iniba ko kasi hindi din naman siya namin magagamit dito sa ngayon. Iipahin ko yung mga dress niya. Uy, careful! I got the shoes, I got the dress, that makes me a princess, I guess. Yan pala yung kinakanta.
Are you guys doing?
Oh. I got the shoes, I got the dress, that makes me a princess.
Very funny.
Very funny. Ang daming dress ni Mishka na hindi niya masusuot dito.
Twinkle, little star.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I...
Mars, tika truck. Mars, favorite truck.
Monster, tika.
Mars, tika, little star.
Above the world so high. Wait!
Diamond?
Like a square in the sky.
No, not this. It's
It's a square.
No.
Like a square in the sky.
No, chico, in the sky. Apple, water. Apple, water. One diamond,
Is it?
yeah. It's cool.
For application pa lang pala yung pumunta dito for our internet provider. It's either mamayang gabi or bukas ng umaga pa pala i-install yung aming internet. Hopefully mamayang gabi. Give me that na! Gusto niya din na i-assemble ko yung kanyang house. Ang gulo-gulo pa ng aming bahay. Kasi ang dami kong iniisip na gagawin. Yellow. Give me red one. This one.
Red one? Okay.
Yellow.
This one.
Thank you.
Welcome, mommy.
Where? Thank you, Nala.
Welcome.
This is broken. You made this broken, Bella. Give me red like this, Lablabo, like this. Red. Ayan, dyan na ba? Hopefully, dumating mamayang gabi ating internet connection.
Mommy, be careful to take me.
Okay. Daddy is calling. Daddy? Yeah, but the installation will come late. It's either later in evening or tomorrow morning. I said, Baya, if you can do tonight, please come. She said, okay, because... Huh?
And what you were doing today?
Just the application, all informations. She said that installation is just quick. It's only this, taking of documents, all details back. 3 times already he has tried because again we have to repeat if it's taking so long, like session expired. That's why again and again he was repeating.
So installation is not yet.
No. Twinkle, twinkle, little circle.
No, not tickle, tickle, little circle.
What's the correct one?
Tickle, tickle, little star.
Nagsasaing na ako ng aming rice and then magluluto na ako ng na-postpone ko na plano kahapon na adobong atay ng manok. Uy, where is the seed? Yun yung aming ulam. Take out the seed, ha? Uy. Twinkle, twinkle, little flower, how I wonder.
Tickle, tickle, little flower.
Is it? Twinkle, twinkle, little circle, how
Not circle.
What is it?
Star.
Star. Twinkle, twinkle. How I wonder. Finish na. Finish your article. Twinkle, twinkle. Go wash your hands. I have put there na. Go wash your hands.
Mama, only.
Tomorrow we'll go.
My best friend.
Tapos lang ng installation ng aming water purifier. Ayan guys, alauna ng hapon.
By Gabby Bells.
Okay, inside first.
Mom, I want Gabby Bells.
Okay, inside first, it's cold.
Mommy, I want Gabby Bells.
Magana na yung aming guys, water purifier. Hindi na namin kailangan bumili ng mineral water ngayon. Soap. Okay. Pinapalitan din namin yung kanyang filter. Yung dito at saka dito. Medyo mahal ang magpapalit ng filter pero parang equivalent na lang din siya ng pagbili mo ng tubig kung wala kang water purifier. Nasa 6,700. 7,000. Pero ano naman yan guys? 6 months. 6 months ata kami nagpapapalit ng filter. Ito naman yung aming adobo. Luto na ata ito eh. Medyo bawas-bawasan ko lang yung kanyang sabaw and then okay na yan. Ito na yung aming hapunan, guys. Chicken gravy, yung aming ulam. Yeah?
You didn't tell me how. I love you.
I thought you know. And then parata.
We have
Sambar.
Sambar?
Earlier, yeah. May natira pang sambar, but this is
Chicken.
fresh. Chicken gravy. Good morning, guys. Magandang umaga. Hindi na ganun ka-foggy. Pero maya-maya lang bumabalik yung fog. Pero, isay lang. Hinintay namin yung mag-install ng aming washing machine. Andiyan na siya sa baba. Uncle is there. Wait for Uncle here. Here. Ito yung update dito sa aming salas ngayon. Nakuha ko na yung ibang mga boxes. Yung iba natapon ko na. Pero yung ito, dito ko muna nilagay. Itatapon ko yan. Kasi may schedule yung pagkuha nila ng basura. And kanina medyo marami-rami na yung kinuha ko. Yung kumukuha ng basura. Parang nagre-reklamo na siya na ang dami ng tinapon ko. So paunti-unti ko na lang siya itatapon. So yung next daw na pagpunta dito is sa Monday. Ngayon is Saturday. Ito na lang naman. Tapos meron pa dun sa labas. Okay, pero so far, okay na yung aming living area dito. Ito lang yung mga laruan ni Mishka. Para dyan na siya maglaro sa kanyang mat kasi ang lamig ng sahig. Tapos yung aking mga halaman, guys, dito ko siya muna ilagay. Diba, nilagyan ko siya ng karton sa ilalim para yung basa. Kasi basang-basa talaga to, punong-puno ng tubig yung mga pot ko. Ma-absorb niya yung basa na mula sa pot. Okay, we'll make bubbles, okay? Supportive din sa Abhi, guys. Sabi niya na mga indoor plants naman to, no? So, okay lang na dito daw sa loob ilagay yung aming plants. Kasi sa labas, hindi talaga siya mabubukay. Kasi sobrang hangin, tas ang lakas ng ulan. Ulan! 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 Hangin! High five!
High five!
Tapos na yung installation ni Kuya ng aming washing machine. Makapaglaba na ako, guys. Unahin ko muna yung mga damit kasi mayroong ibang damit na medyo basa ba. Dito kami ngayon sa likod. Mas maganda dito sa likod, guys. Hindi ganun kahangin kumpara doon sa unahan. Meron pa kaming mga basura na kailangan itapon. Ito yung naglinis sila before kami dumating yan. Hindi ko na natapon yan kanina kasi parang nagkalit na si Kuya sa susunod naman yan. And plano ko na maglagay dito ng sampayan kasi yung aming kapitbahay, tingnan niyo. Naglalagay sila dyan ng kanilang sinampay. So, siguro maglagay din ako. Ayan, meron siyang tubo. Tapos hanggang dito siguro sa kabila. Itong map na to, hindi to sa amin. Sa may-ari ito. Okay natin. Okay. Ang ganda dito sa likuran namin, guys. Pero hindi ko siya pwedeng buksan palagi kasi nakakatakot kay Mishka. Wow! 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 Love, love. Love, love. Where is your Christmas tree, gani, Mish? Nung unang pagdating namin, tinuro niya talagang Christmas tree. You like your bubble? Ay. Do you like your bubbles? I'm asking you, Balalablab. Do you like your bubbles? Answer properly. No? You like it? You sound like a birdie. Ay. Finally, andito na yung mag-i-install ng aming internet.
Can we move?
Can you put here?
Which plan?
Plan?
Yes.
699. The 100 Mbps.
100 Mbps?
Yeah.
With TV channels or what? With TV channels or what?
No.
Only internet?
Yeah, 6 months.
6 months.
Yeah.
Then we'll keep here.
Yeah.
From there, we'll take
Okay.
here. Okay?
It can go other room. Also, yeah, signal can go.
For which room?
This room.
This room, it will be slow.
Slow.
Yes. You're using system or what? System?
Yeah, my computer is there. My laptop is this room.
Yes, then we'll take from here.
But what about the TV?
For TV also you want?
Yeah, like Wi-Fi.
Okay. Madam, please open the window.
Huh?
I have different.
What's that one? Ay! What are you doing?
Here, this is it.
Where is he for the
There you go. Where is it? There you go.
Ito na yung aming internet after 5 days nung lumipat kami dito. Monday kami dumating then Saturday na ngayon. Meron na kaming internet. Pero hindi pa siya naka-fix talaga. Kasi yung extension cord namin, siguro kailangan namin ng medyo mahaba-haba. Pero dyan na muna siya. At least meron na kaming internet. Dito ko siya pinalagay kasi pag doon sa sala, parang ang gulo ng wire. Dito yung aking pwesto. Dito ko nilagay yung aking table. And super lapit ko sa aking internet. Hindi na ako mamumroblema ng aking connection. Kasi ang lapit ko, sa tabi ko na lang talaga siya. Nag-i-edit sana ako ng video for tonight's vlog. Pero hindi ko na siya natapos kasi dumating sila ni Kuya mag-install. So bukas na lang ng umaga ako mag-upload ng video. So yung aming internet provider ngayon dito sa Madikeri is this Jio. So yung kinuha namin is the 100 Mbps speed na internet connection. Meron silang 50, 100, and 150 Mbps. Pero sabi nung pumunta dito kahapon, nung nag-apply ako, yung online application nila na nag-fill up, sabi niya, nung tinanong siya namin kung ano yung available na speed na medyo maganda, sabi niya, 100 Mbps daw is maganda na. So, sabi namin, okay, go. Anyway, siya yung nag-suggest na okay naman yung 100 Mbps na for uploading video, ganun. Yung internet connection dito sa India, guys, ito yung isa sa pinakagusto ko dito, simula nung dumating ako dito sa India. Dito kasi sa India, ang dami nilang internet provider. Yung kanilang monthly na charges for the internet connection is sobrang siya, mura. Kasi ang dami nilang competition so kailangan nilang magpababa ng presyo. But the quality ng kanilang internet is maganda. So, itong aming internet from Jio na 100 Mbps yung speed. Yung monthly na babayaran namin is 699 plus GST. So, imagine mga 700 plus 100 Mbps na. So, meron silang plan na 3 months and 6 months. So, yung kinuha namin is yung 6 months na plan na binayaran na namin yung full na 6 months. And yung binayaran lang namin is 4,900 plus. For 6 months na yon, yung 699 na monthly namin na bill plus GST. So, mas mababa pa din siya, guys. Para sa akin, ha. I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. Kasi naalala ko sa Pilipinas, dati, mahal yung monthly. Dati naalala ko sa Pilipinas, nasa 1,000 or above 1,000 yung monthly na babayaran mo for the internet. Plus, mahal yung installation fee nila. And dito, free na yung kanilang installation. Tapos, yung router, free na din. So, yung bill lang yung babayaran mo. I'm not sure if ano yung pag-process ngayon sa Pilipinas ng mga internet provider. Pero para sa akin, pag free yung installation, hindi na kami nagbayad for the router. Mura siya, guys. Yung binayaran lang namin, yung monthly namin na magiging bill for the upcoming 6 months ng aming internet. Tapos yung option na isa is 50 Mbps. Nasa 399 lang siya plus GST. Unlimited na yan. And then, ito din yung sa amin, unlimited. So, parang ang mura. So, yun, ito talaga yung isa sa pinakagusto ko dito sa India. Ang mura ng internet connection. Tapos, yung pag magpa-load ka sa cellphone for your mobile data, ang mura-mura. Ito kasi yung isa sa struggle namin Abhi dati. Kasi, ang mahal ng internet, ang mahal magpa-load. Tapos, minsan, naka-register ka na no, sa mga GoSurf 99, mga GoSurf 50. Tapos, pag naubos na yung data mo, pag magpa-load ka, minsan, ng regular na load, kinakain pa yung load mo. So, yun yung parang hirap na hirap kami dati. Tapos, may mga times pa dati na si Abhi yung nagpapaload sa akin mula dito. Talk properly. You want to go out or not? Simula nung andito ko sa India, i-enjoy ko talaga yung internet namin dito kasi ang mura. And then, anong oras na guys? Alas 5 ng hapon. And hindi maulan ngayon.
Mommy, Daddy.
Oh, you don't want to sleep in your bedroom?
Yes.
You want to sleep in your bedroom or
I
not?
want to sleep with Mommy and Daddy.
Okay. Sasabihin niya lang na I like my bedroom, pero I want to sleep with Mommy and Daddy. Okay. You wanna go out, love? Hindi maulan ngayon sa labas. And hindi din foggy. The coast is clear. Uy, okay, come on, let's go out, You want to go out or not? Ang clear-clear ng langit. So, iniisip ko, if lalabas kami ni Mishka, you wanna go out? Do you want to go out or not? Yes or no? No, Guru. Do you want to go out? Yes? Say it properly.
I like it.
You like to go out?
I like to go with Mommy, Daddy.
You want to go with Mommy and Daddy?
Yes.
I love you, Kuching. You want to go out?
Yes.
We'll go to Daddy's office, Guru. Ay. You want to go to Daddy's office?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Oh, okay.
I want
Then you stay here. Doble-doble itong suot ni Mishka, guys. Para safe. Safe na safe tayo sa lamig. Sana hindi umulan. Ulan. Ulan. Oh, the dog is there. Where's your cup?
Alright, Daddy, I'm coming. I want to play with you.
Want to play with doggy?
No. Baby don't like Mommy and Daddy don't.
Okay. Where's your cup?
If you're wanting to come out, then come.
Okay. Okay, Daddy.
Mom, here your shoes. Mom, what Daddy said?
Daddy said, let's go.
Let's go.
Akala ko sasabihin ni Abhi na huwag lumabas kasi malamig. Daddy said, okay.
Oh, yes.
Alright.
Now you're doing. Now you're different.
Tapos, wow. Malamig talaga sa labas. Winter na winter dito sa amin, guys. So, dito ko na siguro sa Madikeri magagamit yung aking boots na to. Sa Dubai pa to galing. Nung nasa Dubai pa ako. Buti naman, okay pa siya. Gamitin ko kaya ito ngayon. Kaya baka parang over naman ako. Hindi naman siguro ito na gamitin ko So, now Mishka is enjoying walking. Kasi walang ulan. Nung may ulan, parang ayaw niyang maglakad-lakad ngayon. Gusto niya maglakad-lakad daw siya. Yung paglalakad pala guys mula sa bahay papunta sa opisina ni Abhi, 16 minutes. 1.5 kilometers. Kung may sasakyan, mas malapit. Pero naglalakad tayo, 16 minutes. Medyo malapit-lapit na kami guys. Doon na side. Diyan yung opisina ni Abhi. Marami din palang mga shops dito malapit sa kanya. What? Lollipop. Okay. Let's go. Almost there. You open your lollipop later.
Why?
Because we are walking. 1 minute and 1 minute we are there already.
Why?
Why? Because it's not good. You're eating lollipop while walking.
Why?
It's not good. You will get boo-boo.
Why?
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 Ang daming why. You will get boo-boo.
Why? But I have two TVs. We have two laptops.
Pabalik na kami sa bahay. We have less rice and less ata. Should we just buy? Yeah, we'll just buy. Is it still open? Oh, hello, we did not bring bag. So this is Matikeri during weekend. Sa Saturday night ngayon, medyo lively daw kapag weekend. Dito kami ngayon sa Smart Bazaar. Mag-grocery kami ng mga kulang-kulang namin. Oy, excited much? There, we'll go up. Yeah, just small cart. Excited much yung bata. Go with daddy. The blue one here inside. Is it there, daddy? That is spicy, love. Let's go. Tayo ng paneer. Ano silang option ko ng mga masala mix dito, guys. Paneer, matar masala, pepper, lemon chicken. Kailangan namin bumili ng rice. Konti na lang yung rice namin. Organic Sona Masore. 85 per kilo. This is 5 kg na, Han? Yeah. What's that? Our first grocery haul dito sa Matikeri. Konti lang naman itong binili namin. Green peas. Ito ano to, cucumber. Pang snacks ni Mishka ba. Tapos bumili kami ng paneer. Mura lang yung paneer na to, guys. 69 lang siya. Ang MRP niya is 120. Apat na yung binili namin. Tapos binilhan ni Abhi ng masala. Matar paneer. At paneer matar masala. Tapos coffee. Cafe Hills. Itatry daw niya ito. Itong brand ng kape. Tour dal. Tapos butter chicken mix. And yung kanyang set. Tapos yung rice and wheat flour. Yun lang naman yung nabili namin dito. Konting mga grocery. Parang ang lapit lang din namin sa sa tindahan. So anytime, pwede kami makalabas, makabili. In less than 10 minutes, nasa market area. So ang lapit lang. Depende na lang if may ulan. So yun, hindi tayo makakalabas. Pero pag ganitong weather, yung paglabas namin ngayong gabi, hindi siya umuulan. So malamig lang. Pero walang ulan. So, maganda kasi pwede kami mag-walking-walking ni Mishka. Parang hindi ko pa nababawi yung aking energy. Medyo pagod pa din ako. Good night, everybody. Aww, so sweet. What do you want to say to them? One more pa daw eh.
Did you watch my video? Please like, subscribe. Bye.
Aww.